Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards going over. I cannot talk. This is the fourth time I've started this, so I'm not doing it again. We're going to go over the postcards that sold on eBay from August 28th through today, which is the 1st. So these are sales from the 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st. As you can see on the screen, main store 74 orders for $6.50. And on the other one with the aviation cards, 8 orders for $85. So what is that? 82 orders for $730, something like that. Again, not bad for not listing for over 3.5 months. Let's go ahead and get into it. Omaha, Nebraska Municipal Airport, U.S. Weather Bureau, 1940s linen. $5 on a best offer. Same person bought this one. This is Jacksonville, Florida, Admin Building, Municipal Airport, Eastern Airlines. Also a linen, 1930s or 40s. $5 best offer. This is a Easter anthropomorphic dressed rooster eggs falling out of basket. Has some foxing, some issues on the front. $17.99 still. I'm not sure if that's part of the card or if that's some actual foxing. I don't know. But yeah, $17.99 for that card. Could have been a best offer, I will say that. Most of these are probably best offers. New Bern, North Carolina Oyster Fleet at Middle Street, 1920s. Same person bought several. It was like a $30 or $40 order. $19.99. I know this was best offers. New Bern, North Carolina, Union Station, Railroad Depot. I think these all went for like 14, 15 bucks. $19.99 is what this says on here. New Bern, North Carolina, Elks Temple, $12.99. So that was a nice order there. Naval Action, Battleship Guns Firing, 1940s linen. And that sold for $5.99. Next, Miami, Florida Airport, 1950s Delta flight. And that's sold for $7.99. Next, Cape May, New Jersey, Multiview, Lighthouse, Beach, Boardwalk, Congress Hall, linen. $10.99 for that card. One of those beachy towns that in New Jersey you need to keep an eye out for. And let me get a drink and pause this for a second. I don't edit, I just pause. Next is Route 66 large letter greetings. This is a chrome version of this card. The linen version sells for about double. $5.99 for the chrome version. Make that J.W. Gorman's High Diving Horse Queen, 1912. Has some condition issues. $14.99. I had another one that was for the Horse King. So King and Queen were the diving horses. Yeah, $14.99 for that one. Real photo, Tombstone, Arizona, Boot Hill Cemetery, John Heath lynched. And sold for $8.74. This one's been in the store for 8-9 years. This is tinted real photo, World War I patriotic girl, UK, France, Italy, Allied power flags. $8.99, or make that $8.98. You can see the bowing from the real photo. But yeah, sat for 8 or 9 years, and I did get $8.98 for it. Buzzards Bay, Mass. New railroad bridge over Cape Cod Canal. $10 on a best offer. Soldier mail. Patriotic Decoration Day, GAR, Veteran and Soldier, and Flag, 1909. $14.99 for that card. Next, this one has some condition issues. It's our artist signed Ellen Clapsaddle, Decoration Day, Navy Seller Girl holding flag. Has a corner, significant corner issues. Still got $9.99 out of it. Next person bought like $37 worth of ghost towns. Well, they're not really ghost towns, but these old mining towns in Arizona. Here's Bisbee, Arizona, $5.50. Always wanted to visit Bisbee, and I was out in Arizona for work a couple years ago when we actually drove down to Bisbee, but I was so sick we never got out of the vehicle. Just drove to it and drove right out of it, which is a shame because I thought it was because it turned into like an artsy town. All these little shops downtown, and I was just too deathly sick to get out of the car. That, and it was like 120 degrees too. So $5.50 for that card. Here's Jerome, Arizona, Ghost Town. $6.99. They also bought this Arizona Canyon Diablo Train Crossing Bridge, Fred Harvey. This one sells all the time for me. $6.50. They also bought this Jerome card here, a nice fixer-upper, Ghost House, $5.99. And they bought this Brewery Gulch, Bisbee, Arizona, and $5.50 for that one. And they also bought this Jerome View of Ghost Town for $8.90. Make that $8.19. And this one, Jerome, Arizona, Ghost Town, $5.99. So yeah, the ghost towns of Arizona sell decently for chromes. This is New York, Shelter Island, Long Island, Prospect House, 1904 private mailing card, and it sold for $12.24. Next, California, Christredge, about Ridgecrest. Jeez. Aerial view, Navy Community, China Lake, and $9.99. This is it's an art card, Miss O'Celery, anthropomorphic human from vegetables. Paid $1 for this card when I bought it. I'm sorry, no, I paid 50 cents for this card. I thought that was kind of neat. Took for almost 2 years to sell, but there's a series of these which I thought was kind of neat. I thought it would sell quicker and for more, but $10 after a couple years, I'll take it. This is Rhode Island, multi-view greetings from Narragansett Pier, Casino Beach, 1920s. And that sold for $11.79. Rhode Island, East Greenwich or Greenwich, interior, Earnshaw Rexall Drug Company. Kind of a neat interior linen. Got $8.99. The last dealer wanted $15 for that one. Yellowstone Park, Grand Geyser, Upper Basin, Haynes photo, number 221. Right down there's the Haynes. The lower the Haynes number, usually the better. $10.59 for that card. Put-in-Bay, Ohio, Cliffs at Victory Park, 1909. Put-in-Bay is definitely a bolo place. $9.99. Sold a trade card, circa 1889 Arbuckle Brothers coffee trade card for Kentucky. Sold for $11 on a best offer. Seaside Heights Casino and Swimming Pool. This is New Jersey. Down the shore. Seaside Heights is definitely a bolo town. $12 on a best offer. Dressed Dogs, Doggone Hard Lessons, real photo. Paid 30 cents for that card. $10.99. Next, Needles, California, the Desert Inn Motel, Route 66. So Route 66 is still selling, $12.99 for that card. This is Riverton, New Jersey Country Club, circa 1920s, $9.99. And of course, I'm not going to go through all 74 orders that sold. This is World War I Aesop's Fables, Up to Date, The Fox and the Grapes, and this is artist signed. Somewhere down here is the artist. There's the Sancha, maybe. It was not 12, or it wasn't $20.99. It was probably about 16, something like that. I sent out 25% offers, or off offers. Branson, Missouri, Silver Dollar City, Marvel Cave Park amusement park. I think during my last WhatNot auction, I sold, I think, 2 of these for, I think the lots were going an average of 35 cents, something like that. So whoever bought the Silver Dollar City, you have a comp of $6.99 on that card. And Lulling, Texas, truckloads of watermelons, 1950s, best offer of $8. So that's the main store. Airplane store, it's average selling price of like $3 or $4, so nothing exciting, but they are selling and they're selling consistently. I think I only have like 1,600 items up in that other store, and the same thing, I haven't listed over there for 3.5 months either. Upcoming postcard show this coming weekend, August 6th, Havana Grace, Maryland. Yeah, it's a one-day show, probably 10 to 15 dealers, something like that. Uh, I wasn't going to go, but I'm now up to about a 50% chance of going to that. Omaha, Nebraska the following week, and the week after that in Ohio, and the same weekend, Lancaster, PA. That's supposed to be a really good show. Never been to it. Don't know if I'll go this time. And finishing out August, Madison, Wisconsin. So there are your postcard shows. And real quick with WhatNot, this is the ephemeras and postcards. There's 64 shows that are scheduled over there. So go give the sellers a look over there. My next show, maybe, I have it scheduled for Tuesday. It may happen or it may not. If it does happen, it's going to be a real quick show. I do have 28 lots of really pretty good stuff. A lot of New York, it's just good stuff on Tuesday, but it would only be one box, 25 smaller lots. I'm sorry, 28 lots of 25 cards. And then, of course, Paperpalooza is coming up. I already have some stuff loaded in the store here. I have a giveaway, and here's a little sneak peek of just part of the card for the new Matthew Kirst commission that I had done. But I've started putting stuff into the store. Got a whole bunch of real photo stereo views. They're all named on there. Some large letter alphabet, some aviation photos, cemetery photos. Might be some shenanigans. I don't know. We got Disneyland. Oh, this is Disney World. I have to reload the Disneyland cards. Silk embroidered cards. So I'm going to have some really nice cards. I haven't even got into the real photos yet. So that will be coming up August 13th and 14th. So we hope to see you there. And I think that's it. Everybody, hope you have a great week. I'll probably be back Thursday or so with another What Sold video. So you all have a great day, and I thank you for watching.